I got this Thomas skid steer, and for some way somehow water got into the heads, and trying to take them out, clean them out. Look at this, got oozy goozy oil. I think maybe overheat. And I'm trying to remove everything, take all the bolts out, but still couldn't take the head out. So it's been a lot of building up stuff, maybe from overheating the oil. Have cleaned them out, used the WD-40 and starter fluid and air, blow most of that old oil out of there. I don't think it's water though. Can you guys tell the difference? Look at this. Is that oil and water mixture, or oil been overheat?